We're going to do just the first couple of movements with the side. Now I'm going to mirror you, so I'm going to step out to the right. As I step, I'm going to swing these across so that now you can see this is almost like a gansao, this is almost like a paksao, if you get that idea. My thumb is behind, I'm pushing them towards this way. So one is kind of pointing down, one's pointing up, and they're about in the middle line. As I step to the other side and swing them across again, same sort of idea. This is a gansao, this is almost a paksao, but they're pointing about 45 degrees and almost above each other. Now, it would not be the end of the world if that reaches a little bit further, because obviously you're going to adjust these according to where your opponent is. The advantage of these sort of blocks is that without knowing exactly where something's coming in, that will sweep anything to the side. Now, if that hits a head, that's a strike. If it hits their arm, you could call it a block. If that hits their knee and breaks their knee, we'll call it a strike. If it hits their weapon or whatever they're using, then again, we'll call that a block. So fairly universal sort of techniques. I'll do one to the side facing this way so that you can see that they're about 45 degrees. One is almost above the other, and both of them have come across to the side, making me fairly safe and sweeping anything that was coming in out of the way. Have a go at both those sides, and we'll work on that from there.